You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Japanese. This is the name of a current Yamaha motorcycle. It means two swords, referring to the dynamic movement of the front two wheels. Tu, which is in Japanese is ni, and then ken, which is sword. So ni ken. I know some people are tempted to say Niken, that might be the English pronunciation, but this is obviously a Japanese motorcycle, so Niken. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.